Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna make tropical smoothie, so let's start making it. One ripened banana, few mango pieces, some pineapple chunks, one medium-sized orange, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 spoon of coconut milk, and grind it. Now the smooth paste is ready. Just look at the consistency. Add half a cup of soaked chia seeds. Mix well, and your drink is ready. Surprise your loved ones during this lockdown with some tropical punch. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.